Home Remedies presents
Unbelievable! Varicose veins disappear with the help of rosemary, a treasure that everyone should know. Do you know of any other herbal remedies that reduce the pain and inflammation of vein problems? Rosemary is a little evergreen shrub that contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. This makes it capable of protecting blood vessels and aiding in circulation, which will help you fight back against varicose veins and spider veins. The remedy I will share with you today is very useful and easy to make. Everyone should make it and try it. Let's see how to make it. Ingredients: 10 sprigs of rosemary, 10 bay leaves, 200 ml of olive oil. Procedure: take 10 sprigs of rosemary leaves and separate the leaves. Then chop the leaves and keep them in a mason jar. Now take 10 bay leaves and crush them in a blender. Crush the leaves thoroughly and then add them with rosemary leaves in the jar. Now add 200 ml of olive oil to the ingredients in the jar and submerge them completely in it. Let this oil infuse for 10 days in a cool, dark place. Stir occasionally. After 10 days, the oil is ready to use. Mix it thoroughly and strain it. The shelf life of rosemary oil is 1 year. You can use the oil for pain in knees, feet, shoulder, elbows, and all joints. Apply it to the areas with varicose veins.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.